Hi everyone, it's Arts from meranti. Today we're gonna fit a garage door. Not a job I do very often, but I thought I'll share with you how we're gonna do it, the process of it. So this door, I believe, has come from Wix. It's a standard door, standard size. So what I will do, I will take the old frame out first, and yeah, I've got a new frame ready, primed up, which we use meranti for it, a hardwood. Well, you can see the common issue with these frames, by not leaving the gap of the floor. What happens, you get thing rotting, you know. That's what causes the rot of the bottom of the frame. Same on the other side. So I would say you need to leave 10mm gap from the floor, plus when you cut your end you want to prime it to make sure it doesn't get wet. So yeah, that's the things we can do. Also, what you want to check, you want to prime all the ends when you cut them before you fix it together. So that's another thing what we're going to do. But first off, we're going to start taking this apart, and then yeah, I'll just brief you on a way, what, you know, with what I do and well, how I would do it. I wouldn't say that I'm a specialist in fitting garage doors, but you know, I'll just share my way of doing it. So hope you're gonna enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you in a next video. Just a catch-up video, everyone. So I got the old frame out. So if you what I've done, I've taken frame out, I've put the door inside because it also gets fitted from inside out. As you can see, it's got these side brackets here which can be screwed into the frame, so hence why I've put it back inside of the garage. So what I'm gaining with that is I put my frame in, level it out, and then all I got to do is push that frame door to the frame. Obviously, before you fixing the frame, you need to check that it will fit. In my case, I got 10mm either side for it to shut to, so I think that should be right. that should be enough. Also we got some trims if we need to be, we can trim it up a bit. So yeah, we're gonna fix there, and basically then this, as you can see there's holes on the top, on the side, then that will fix into the frame. And what I'm gonna use, I bought some brackets like so. So I'll use laser level, I'll laser level it around, I'll fix these brackets on the wall, ready to take my frame. Then I'm gonna fix the frame, put it in a position, wedge it up about 10 millimeters off the floor. What I will also do, because these been primed up for us, so I will use the cotton for the top where I'm gonna put glue on when I screw through. Hopefully that will, you know, preserve it for longer. So so that's it, that's my next job, getting laser level, putting brackets on, then I'm screwing the frame together, fitting it onto the brackets, wedging it up, screwing it in, and hopefully that should be ready for that to go in. Then obviously you're gonna have to put handles on, etc., all those little things, but that's nothing too difficult. Well, shouldn't be too difficult. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you soon.